Hi, welcome to Imperium Learning. This is the third exercise in a 7-exercise Excel course. In this video now, I just want to spend a bit of time talking about the tasks that you'll be doing, as well as elaborating on the skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise, and finally just rounding off with some prerequisites that you'll need in order to get the most out of this video series. So just starting with the prerequisites then, the first thing you'll want is to have a Windows computer. The second thing that you'll want is a fairly recent version of Microsoft Excel, so preferably nothing older than Microsoft Excel 2010. And finally as well, it would probably be good if you were familiar with the content that was covered in exercises 1 and 2. If you already know it without having gone through exercises 1 and 2, then no worries, you don't have to go through them. But I'd advise, if you're not familiar with the skills that were covered in those exercises, that you should go and do them first, because this exercise assumes that you already know them. Now, regarding the actual task that we're going to be doing for exercise 3, we're going to be sorting out a spreadsheet that details the test scores of approximately 70 students over 3 terms in an academic year. And so what this is going to involve is calculating their grades, and by their grades I mean their letter grades, so like A, B, C or D, based on said test scores. Now, in terms of the skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise, the first thing that you'll learn is how to remove duplicates. After that, you're going to learn how to construct frequency diagrams with non-numerical data. After that, you're going to learn how to link worksheets, which we've also previously covered in exercise 1. After that, you'll be introduced to the average formula. After that, you'll go over nested if functions again. After that, you'll be introduced to the match function, which by itself is not particularly useful, but where it becomes really useful is when it's combined with lookup functions, such as, for example, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, and offset. Finally, as well, you'll learn how to create drop-down menus. And needless to say, you'll also learn the keyboard shortcuts for these skills wherever applicable. Now, the last thing I should say is that this exercise involves downloading an Excel file. The reason that you'll want to download this Excel file is so that you yourself can do these skills that I'm demonstrating throughout the video series in order to get the best learning experience. So I'll be providing this Google Drive link in the appropriate place so that you can just click on it and then download that file. So I'm pleased to say that this video has now been concluded. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to do something in Excel known as removing duplicates. So see you there.